Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve a Twitter login problem in bgmi mod epic. To know how to fix or how to solve a Twitter login problem in bgmi mod epic, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter. Then in this page, you will go to click first stop. When you will enter this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.